Hello all students and welcome to the next module of HTML course. In this particular module, we will learn how we will actually be able to mark our text as bold, and we will also learn how on a web page we can make our text as italic. So I will introduce the tags for bold and italic in this particular module. Before we start learning these different two types of tags, I want to give you a heading for all these different types of tags, and that is called as HTML formatting tags. As the name suggests, these tags, which I am going to give you a quick list of, help the user or the web developer to format the particular text that they are writing on their web page. The widely used available tags for formatting in HTML are the text for bold, text for italic, text for making your text as very strong, text for emphasizing a particular content, text for marking a particular content, a tag that helps you to show the particular content is deleted, a tag which shows that there is some inserting required on this tag, a tag to create a subscript, and a tag to create a superscript. In this particular module, however, we will be learning about the bold and italic text, and in the subsequent modules we will be covering the rest of the HTML formatting text. So let's get started. What I have already written on this web page is a basic HTML structure, and inside the body tag we will quickly look at how we can use the bold and italic text. In order to use the bold text, we use the tag B, and we will then start writing the text that we want to be shown as bold. So this is the bold text is what I am writing, and I am now closing this particular tag. I am clicking on the enter button, and I am going to now show you how we can mark a particular text as italic. You can use uppercase I or lowercase I, does not matter. And now we will say this is the italic text, and I am going to now close this particular tag that I have used. As we've discussed before, whenever you have written a code, save your file, and you can see my file resides in the folder desktop HTML file test.html. So I'll quickly go to that folder, double click on this particular file, and here we go. Let us open the input and output together. So what we can see here is that we have written a particular text. Whatever we've written inside this bold text or bold tag basically has come as a bold text, and whatever we have written inside the italic tag has come in a italic format. These tags are widely used inside the other tags, and that concept is called as nesting of tags. And what do we mean by nesting of tags? Nesting of tag means when we have one tag inside another tag. As an example, if let's say I was writing down a paragraph tag, and inside this paragraph tag I have written some text. A particular part of that text I want to mark it as bold so that the user who is visiting my website reads that particular text with more emphasis. And there is some text for some reason I want to mark as italics so that there is another emphasis given on this particular word. In order to do that, within this parent tag, which is the paragraph tag, I can introduce the bold tag in the beginning and end of this particular word. Similarly, for the italics, I can introduce this italics tag in the beginning or ending of this word. If it sounds confusing, do not worry, because I am there for you. What we'll do is we will look at this happening practically now. So let's quickly minimize our output window and start writing the paragraph tag. Inside this particular paragraph tag, please remember we also need to close this paragraph tag. and let's write down some text now. Let's say I have a website for the geography information that I share with my end users. Inside this paragraph tag, let's say I'm writing down some text, and the text could be now. Let's say what I want to do is, because I want the end user to look at this word 29 states with more emphasis, and let's say they want to look at the capital of India as New Delhi with more emphasis, what I'm going to do is nest my bold tag and italic tag inside these paragraph tags. This is how exactly this bold and italics text are used in HTML. So all I'm going to do is start my bold text here, and because I really wanted to end it here, I will close the bold tag here. Similarly, if I want to mark this text as italics, I will start the italic tag here and I will end the italic tag where this particular information is ending. So I'm going to close this. I hope you are as excited as me to see the output. So let's not delay it. Quickly run this particular code. I've already saved my file. So can you see that? Whatever we wrote inside the bold tag has actually come in the bold. So let me just quickly open the window and now show you. So inside this B tag, whatever we have written has come in bold. So if you're reading this particular line, we are giving a more emphasis to this word. Similarly, whatever we have written inside the italics tag has come as the. Now one common mistake, my students, which most of the programmers do when they are learning in HTML is, I'm going to show you that problem because I want you not to make that problem, mistake. That is, let's say for some reasons you had started the bold tag and you forgot to add the or end the bold tag. Now what is going to happen? Let me quickly run the output to show you. I'm going to refresh my screen. Can you see it now? One small mistake we did was we had started the bold tag, we have not ended the bold tag. So what has the HTML already understood with this? It has actually assumed that right from this word till the end of this text, the whole text should be bold. Did we want that? No. We wanted that bold text only to be 29 states. So what we need to do, please remember, whenever you open the tag, you have to close the tag to get the desired output. Now if I refresh it after saving, you can see the difference. Okay, so one learning from this module is the text formatting tag, which is the bold and italics, and second learning that we have learned is we need to make sure we close the tag for any tag that we have opened to get the desired output. So hope you enjoyed this module. Stay tuned with me for the next module. In that we'll be learning more text formatting tags. Thank you.